Hi guys, I'm back with one more video today on Riskless Real Estate. Today I am at Sindhuvanam, a project which we discussed in the last video along with Mr. Vinod Rao. So he is one of the developers for this project. This project is beautifully maintained. In fact, I love the way it is done. So let's see the project, and there are apartments which are coming up, studio apartments. You won't believe it starts with 13 lakhs. I know it's hard to believe. You don't even get a plot these days, but you're getting an apartment here for 13 lakh rupees. So let's explore this project. In fact, let's see how it is. This is the entrance. As you can see, the entrance is very grand. In fact, a lot of greenery all across. The roads are well laid. They are not, as we discussed in the last video, they are not blacktop roads. It is CC roads. In fact, you can see a lot of interlocks here. So let's explore. Hi guys, I'm sure you saw the visuals and you enjoyed it. If you see, this place is quite well maintained. In fact, there is a villa also which I can see. I'll show you in the next frame. And you can see the apartments which are coming up. In the entrance, we saw 13 lakhs apartment. So let's hear from Mr. Vineet. Vineet Rao, he is taking care of the apartments. So hi Vineet.
Hi sir, Saurabh, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing amazing. First of all, I just had this doubt. And I'm quite bewildered, to be honest, because 13 lakhs apartment we don't find. So what is this apartment? Because I can see the work is already happening at full-fledged. So can you explain little details about the apartment?
Sure. So firstly, we wanted to come up with an apartment that is affordable for everyone.
Okay.
So that is where the concept of 13 lakhs actually came from.
Okay.
So we have two different types of apartments. One is mainly the studios and the other is 2-bedroom.
Okay. The studio, what is the size?
The studio, they start from 365 SFT to 404 SFT. Okay. And that's what starts from 13 lakhs.
13 lakhs around, okay, 365 to 400.
400 SFT.
Okay, what is per square feet?
Right now, we're selling it at 3,600.
3,600.
That's because the construction, as you see, has not reached the first or second slab.
Okay.
So that's the off-market price that we're putting right now.
Okay.
So once it increases, we're planning to increase at 3,800 based on the response that we've got. We feel.
Okay. And how many units are coming up?
So we have totally 35 units coming up.
35 units.
Correct. Okay. It's a basement, ground floor plus 5 floors.
Okay. Basement, ground plus 5.
Correct.
Okay. And is the only unit coming up or
so
apartments
right now this is a first project called Sindhu One.
Okay.
So we are actually 3 more projects in the pipeline. We are in process of getting the securing the permissions and everything.
Okay, so this is an HMDA approved.
Correct. It's an HMDA approved and a RERA approved project.
So HMDA RERA approved project. The basic starting size is 365 square feet, 400, and what is the last?
It goes up to 825.
825. That's a 2 BHK.
That's a 2 BHK.
Okay.
Correct. So another great thing about the design that we did here is we've put all the 2-bedroom apartments in the corners, and then we put the studio's apartment right next to it.
Okay.
So one thing what we can do if a customer wants a bigger 3-bedroom apartment, they can buy the 2-bedroom house and the studio adjacent to it, and then we can convert it into a 3-bedroom house.
Okay. So you can mix. You can join these two houses.
Correct.
Okay. Likewise, so it becomes a 3 BHK.
Correct. Exactly.
Okay.
So that way we're flexible and we want our customer to have their choice of living at an affordable price. Okay. So that's the reason behind our design, so that they can turn it into a bigger one.
Okay. And one more question. So by when we can expect these things to be completed?
So it will be completed by May 2022. Another 14 months.
Other 14 months.
Correct.
Okay. Good. Thanks for sharing, Vineet. I think a lot of valuable information you shared with the audience. And as he said, 13 lakhs you get the 365.
Correct.
Okay, square feet of studio apartments.
Studio apartments.
Okay, and the maximum size was 860.
825.
825. Okay, and even you can make a 3 BHK by joining 2 and 1.
Correct.
Okay, thank you, Vineet.
Thank you for coming, sir.
Hi, sir. Welcome back to Riskless Real Estate.
Thank you, Saurabh. Always a pleasure to talk to you.
Sir, I visited Sindhuvanam. In fact, our audience have seen it before our interview. It's a beautiful layout. Greenery all across. అంటే చెట్లు మాత్రం అసలు నేను కేరళలో ఉన్న ఒక ఫీలింగ్ నాకు వచ్చింది, గోవాలో ఉన్న ఒక ఫీలింగ్ నాకు వచ్చింది సార్. ఎక్కడ చూస్తే అక్కడ కొన్ని ట్రీస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఐఎమ్ షూర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్ ఇట్ హస్ టేకెన్. సో హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ ఇట్ టుక్ యూ టు ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్ దిస్ ట్రీస్ అండ్ మేక్ దిస్ లేఅవుట్ సో మెచ్యూర్డ్?
ఒరిజినల్గా మేము ఈ ల్యాండ్ డెవలప్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎక్కువ చెట్లు ఇక్కడ ఏం లేకుండే. మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ పామ్ ట్రీస్ ఉండే.
ఓకే.
మేము సర్వే చేసినప్పుడు ఒక చెరువు నుంచి ఇంకో చెరువు కనెక్టింగ్ ఛానల్ మా ల్యాండ్లో ఉండడం నోటీస్ చేసినాము. ఆల్మోస్ట్ అది 1 కిలోమీటర్ ల్యాండ్ నుంచి వెళ్తుంది.
ఓకే.
సో దీన్ని బ్యూటిఫై ఎట్లా చేయాలి అని అన్నప్పుడు కోకోనట్ ట్రీస్ కనుక మనం ట్రాన్స్లొకేట్ చేస్తే దీనికి సూట్ అవుతుంది అనిపించింది. కొనసీమలో వెళ్ళి ఆల్మోస్ట్ 35-40 ఫుట్ ట్రీస్
లార్జ్ నంబర్స్
ఇక్కడ పెట్టడం జరిగింది.
ఓకే.
తర్వాత ఇంకొన్ని చెట్లు కృష్ణగిరి నుంచి తెచ్చి 45 డిగ్రీ యాంగిల్లో ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్ చేస్తే ఎట్లుంటుంది, మంచిగా ఉంటుంది అనిపించింది.
ఓకే.
థ్యాంక్ఫుల్లీ ఇట్ క్లిక్డ్ అండ్ అది షేప్ కానీ అది కానీ చాలా బాగుంది అని అందరు అంటున్నారు.
కానీ సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ని ట్రీస్, అది కూడా మెచ్యూర్ ట్రీస్ కదా, అవి సర్వైవ్ అవ్వగలిగినాయా సార్? కుడ్ ది సర్వైవ్?
ఆల్మోస్ట్ సర్వైవల్ రేటు 95% ఉండే, 95-97%.
Okay.
And in fact, పెట్టిన 7 months తర్వాత, when it is almost fully done, floods వచ్చినాయి హైదరాబాద్లో.
Yeah, yeah.
చాలా flow of water ఉండే, and all the trees survived.
Beautiful.
And the channel worked perfectly. And like I keep saying, కరెక్ట్గా ప్లాన్ చేసి మంచిగా చేస్తే ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ తట్టుకోగలుగుతాయి అవి డిజైన్ పరంగా.
వెరీ ట్రూ, వెరీ ట్రూ. అంటే మన లేఅవుట్లో వాటర్ ఏం రాలేదా?
రాలేదు.
బ్యూటిఫుల్. అంత ఫ్లడ్స్ వచ్చినా కూడా మనం బికాస్ ఆఫ్ ద ఛానల్.
కరెక్ట్. అండ్ ద స్లోప్ లెవెల్స్ కానీ
ఓకే
ప్లానింగ్ కరెక్ట్గా ఉండే కాబట్టి
ఓకే
వాటర్ ఎక్కడ ఆగలేదు.
ఐఎమ్ షూర్ ద వ్యూ వాజ్ మెస్మరైజింగ్.
ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్.
It is beautiful. I'll show it for my audience as well. Smart housing idea in the Cochin, sir. That too in such a beautiful layout. It's a premium layout. So what made you think of coming up with smart houses?
In this COVID times, everybody wanted to have their house on their own, and for some people, they are shifting from big homes to small homes, and some people they are shifting from rented homes to their own homes.
That's true.
And everybody thought process change అయింది. అందరికి సొంత ఇల్లు ఉండాలని కొందరు, చిన్న ఇల్లు స్మార్ట్ హోమ్స్ ఉంటే సరిపోతుందని కొందరు. ఈ టైంలో వీ థాట్ ఇఫ్ వీ కెన్ డిజైన్ స్మార్ట్ అండ్ స్మాల్ హోమ్స్, పీపుల్ ఆర్ విల్లింగ్ టు buy.
That's true. So smart, how do you define smart, sir? And when you say small, how small?
It starts from 350, 360 SFT. Every inch of space, ఏదో ఒక యూస్కి నో వేస్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ స్పేస్ లాగా డిజైన్ చేయడం జరిగింది.
ఓకే. అంటే యూఎస్లో ఈ కల్చర్ చాలా ఫేమస్ సార్, స్మార్ట్ హౌసింగ్ అండ్ అఫోర్డబుల్ హౌసింగ్. చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి అపార్ట్మెంట్స్ బట్ బ్యూటిఫుల్లీ డిజైన్డ్. సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్ యూ బ్రింగింగ్ టు ఇండియా.
Yeah, almost. There are so, like you said, చాలా అపార్ట్మెంట్స్ డౌన్ టౌన్స్లో, కమర్షియల్ ప్లేసెస్లో పీపుల్ లివ్ ఇన్ దీస్ ప్లేసెస్ అండ్ దిస్ బీన్ దేర్ ఫర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్. ఇక్కడ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఈస్ రిలేటివ్లీ న్యూ.
ఎస్.
బట్ ఈ ఉన్న పరిస్థితులలో ఉన్న దాంట్లో దీనికి డిమాండ్ ఉంటుందని మాకు అనిపించింది. సో వీ స్టార్టెడ్ దిస్.
Okay. And how is the response from people, sir? Are they buying? Like who all are buying these apartments?
We got a good response so far.
Okay.
Lot of people started looking at this, and some of them booked.
Okay.
And it was an interesting mix of persons who bought.
Okay.
For example, a couple bought it, and they are quite young couple. They wanted to stay in the one bedroom studio apartments and rent it out to working professionals in the other 2-bedroom apartment. So, and for them it is their revenue and
that's true. So they want to buy it free, stay in one and rent out two.
Right. And, and another person gifted this this single bedroom and double bedroom to their parents.
Okay.
The parents will be staying in 2 bedrooms, and single bedroom they rent kistaru ani. So rent will be the pocket money of the parents. So he said he has taken care of them with this model. And another person who just started his career, he's in his first job. He bought the studio apartment, and he was saying that since he's working from home, this suits him much better because he can own, he can stay, and then he can work from that. So interesting perspective from different people.
That's true.
And we are very happy that people are liking it.
And it's a new concept. In fact, I personally liked it, and I'm sure the construction quality, because you don't compromise with quality is what I've seen. So construction quality is also going to be at par. Right. But how come in 13 lakhs, sir? So how will you manage? Is it possible? Is it manageable?
It can be.
It can be. Sir, where are we located? Where is this apartment located? And what are the developments nearby?
This is in Haridaspalli. This is about 10-15 minutes from ECL Crossroads, and same thing from Sainikpuri.
Okay.
This is between Radial Road 15 and 16, and about 3.5 kilometers inside ORR.
Beautiful. Okay.
And Nagaram village is nearby.
Okay.
And
What are developments close by?
Chellapalli Industrial Estate is about 5-10 minutes from here. Nagaram Industrial Estate is about 5 minutes. And Army Dental College is nearby. Swaminarayan Gurukul, their school is coming next to this township. And couple of established schools are within 5 minutes.
Beautiful. Okay.
Some major hospitals are within about 10-15 minutes. So this is part of the city, I would
It's
say.
part of the city.
Because it is inside ORR.
Yes. And which exit is the nearest exit?
The Kisara ORR
Kisara
exit
exit.
is the nearby.
Okay. And how far that exit is?
Like I said, 3.5 kilometers.
That's it. Okay. So we can climb over in this 3.5 kilometers.
Right.
Beautiful. Now, sir, before I let you go, one last thought which is running in my head is, what is the future of smart housing in India? Because Indians are used to big houses. This apartment culture is new in India. Okay, we used to stay in big villas. In villages you see everyone has their own big house. Now, do you think they'll adjust with this smart housing concept? What is the future?
There is a lot of demand for big villas also, and there is a lot of demand for such kind of places also. So Hyderabad is such a big city that there is demand for all the sizes, provided it is done well, planned well, executed well, and free from all litigations.
Yes.
So there are takers, there are buyers. A lot of people are coming to Hyderabad. A lot of people are becoming independent. So this caters to most of them.
That's for a small family. I think this is the best.
Yeah, especially while we designed in a such a way that a studio is next to a double bedroom apartment. So if somebody wants triple bedroom, they are taking those two, and somebody wants a smaller bedroom. So like I said, it's all kind of combinations.
Yes.
It's working well.
Yes.
So these designs are here to stay, and given a choice, probably more builders will be going into this kind of apartments.
Very true. Yeah. Even I can feel it, sir. I can sense it. And one last question. Apologies, but again, one more last question is about bank loans. It's a very important question because people want to know bank loan. I know it's a very affordable apartment, but still people want to know. Because I heard from Vineet it's RERA approved, and I'm sure we have loans as well here. If yes, then what is the procedure like? How much we have to pay upfront, and then how much we can go for loan?
Since this apartment is HMD approved, and this itself is in the HMD approved layout.
Yes.
So bank loans are not an issue.
Okay.
And if the customer is eligible, bank loans are easy for such kind of developments anywhere.
Okay.
And customers have to give about 10% as advance, and then there are stages like any other industry flat norms.
Okay.
And when the loan approves and the bank comes and gives, it's a fairly easy process.
So based on the progress, the funds are released.
Right.
Okay. So any last message, sir? If someone is willing to buy these apartments, what message you want to give them?
If somebody wanted these kind of apartments, not necessarily in this area, but come have a look and see the designs and then understand it. And if you like it, then scout for such kind of apartments in your places where you are looking into. And I'm sure there many developments will come. I can feel it because there's so much demand for these. So please come, have a look, and then if you like it, probably you can buy it.
It was pleasure interacting with you as always. As if some of you are really interested, I have put a link below. Please fill the form. I'll help you to connect with Vinod sir's team and find the right house for you. Thank you so much once again,
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Sarah.
Thank you.